If you are using a trial version of Shopify, then your store will be password protected like this. As a store owner, you no need to enter this password to view the online store. You can click the I button after the online store to view the storefront. But if you have any visitors, they will not be able to view the store without the storefront password as long as you will not disable it. Let's see where you can find the storefront password. Log into the Shopify store and then click on the online store. After that, click on the preferences and scroll down. You will see the password protection section. This is your storefront password. By entering this password, anyone can visit your online store. You will need to disable it when you will go live, and it only can be disabled after you subscribe to a Shopify plan. After selecting the Shopify plan, you will need to uncheck this box, so your store will go live and anyone can visit your store without entering a password. You can display your own custom message on the password page by entering your text here. This will be visible on the password page.